In this video I would like to show you something about the symptom path. Now the symptom path always is a reminder of the position where the hand is pointing to. It's slightly different as in the old radar 10.5. So the hand is pointing here to the sub level until evening, and here in the symptom path you see mind, fear, morning until evening. Let me click here on 12 to 15. You see at the top mind, fear, noon from 12 to 3 o'clock. Okay, now by default when you click here in the symptom path it will navigate upwards. So if I click on noon it will navigate one level up. If I click here on fear it will navigate again one level up. So that's the default option. Now there's another option. You can set in the program that when you click in the symptom path it opens the find window, the find from current. So let's first turn this option on. I go here to the local options in the repertory. I check on this option, open the navigation by clicking on the path, or this is also called open the find from current, or the F3 window. So I close here my options window again. So let's first go to some sub level. So for example, I want to take 2 or 3 fear rubrics. So I type mind, enter, fear, enter. Let's do it simple. I say water, enter, enter. Okay, now I take this symptom and let's say I want to find now mind, fear of dark. Now to avoid that I have to type again mind, fear, I click here in the symptom path and it will open actually the F3 function, the find from current position. So I click now once on fear and you see it opens the find window from the position where I clicked. That's the same on the keyboard but with pressing the F3 key. So it starts here from mind, fear, and I can say, for example, dark, dark, enter, enter. And I can take, again, this symptom in clipboard number 1. Let's say I want to take another symptom, mind, fear of disease, impending disease. Again, I click here on the level I want to keep, so I click on fear. And immediately I can start to type the last level I want to change. So I say disease of impending disease. I do enter, enter. Okay, and I'm back in the repertory and I can take that symptom again. So I think that was it. I would only like to remind you about the following. When you have the find window open, you do not really need to go back to the repertory to take it into a clipboard. So let's type here a symptom, mind, jealousy, enter. So I do not need to press now enter again or here click on go to go back to the repertory and then take it into a clipboard. I can also drag and drop it from here. So I can point here to the main level which is selected. I can drag to my clipboard and let go, or I can also take here one of the sub-levels. So for example here, this one with remedies behind it, I say during drunkenness and I drag it to the clipboard. At the lower end here is also a take button, the main button that immediately takes and the sub button with a few options. But I like to remind you that this button will take the symptom which is indicated at the top. So even if my hand pointer is pointing to one of the sub-levels, at the moment it will always take this top level. Maybe it will change in future, but this is how it's set at the moment. Okay, I think this was it for this video.